Have you ever wanted to speak English fluently, clearly and confidently, but felt stuck? Because you don't have English friends or classes at your home. What if I tell you, you don't need anyone else? You can improve your English speaking by yourself, step by step. Hi, I'm Alice, and this is Mark. In today's episode, we'll show you a simple, realistic plan to improve your English speaking skills using methods you can start today. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do daily to become more fluent.
That sounds great. I've often felt I am missing opportunities just because I don't have someone to practice with. I'm ready to learn from you.
Part 1. Why many people struggle to speak English.
First, let's understand why speaking English can be hard for many learners. It's not just about vocabulary or grammar. Many people can read or understand English, but when they try to speak, their mind freezes. Why? Their brain is translating from their native language to English, sentence by sentence. That makes thinking slow, mistakes likely, and confidence low.
Exactly. So the first secret, stop translating. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. This comes with habit and exposure, and I'll show you exactly how.
Part 2. Step-by-step plan to train your brain alone.
Here's a plan that anyone can follow. No teacher, no partner, just you, but done right. Step 1. Listening and shadowing. Every day, spend 10 to 15 minutes listening to simple English. Could be a podcast, a YouTube video, or an English song. While listening, try shadowing. Repeat what you hear, imitating pronunciation, rhythm, tone. Don't worry about perfection, focus on sound and flow. This trains your ear and mouth.
Shadowing even alone, that works.
Yes. Many successful learners do it alone. This builds your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Step 2. Daily self-talk narration. During the day, narrate your own life in English, in your head or quietly out loud. For example, I am making tea. I am cutting vegetables. I am reading my book. Or I will go out after lunch. This helps your brain think in English naturally, not translating. Step 3. Use simple phrases, not long sentences at first. When you start speaking, don't aim for long or perfect sentences. Use short, simple phrases. For example, I want to eat, I am hungry. That looks nice. As you build habit, longer sentences come naturally. Step 4. Record yourself and listen back. Once in a while, maybe once a week, record a short audio 1 to 2 minutes describing your day or thoughts in English. Then listen back. This helps you notice pronunciation mistakes and measure progress over time.
Part 3. Turning problems into practice real-life examples.
Let's practice with a real example. Suppose you want to describe your morning. Use English only. Try now.
Okay, I woke up at 7 a.m. The sun was shining. I made tea. I felt happy. I read messages on my phone. I prepared breakfast. Then I went outside to buy groceries.
Very good. That's simple, clear, and real. Also, the more ordinary your description, the more useful it is. Because these are everyday sentences.
I see. So even simple daily life can become English practice.
Yes, and over time, your confidence will grow.
PAT 4, expanding vocabulary and natural expressions.
As you grow more comfortable, start learning not only words but useful phrases, expressions. These are sometimes called chunks. For example, by the way. As far as I know, actually, that sounds great. These easy phrases help your English sound natural and close to real native speech. Also, read short articles or watch short videos. When you hear or read a sentence you like, repeat it aloud, try to memorize it. Don't just learn single words, learn phrases.
Part 5, overcoming fear and building confidence.
Many learners give up because they fear mistakes or feel shy. But here's the truth. Mistakes are part of learning. Think of them as feedback, not failure. Every time you speak, your brain learns. Your pronunciation improves. Your fluency grows. If you avoid making mistakes, by not speaking, you never improve.
That feels real. I think the biggest problem is my fear to sound wrong.
Then remove the fear. Remind yourself, you are learning. Speak slowly at first. Focus on clarity, not speed. With time, your speed will increase naturally.
Part 6, immersion, use English in your daily life.
Another powerful step, surround your life with English. Change your phone, a laptop language to English. Watch movies or series with English subtitles. Listen to English songs. Read simple stories. Use social media in English. This daily exposure helps your brain adapt. It's like training a muscle, consistent repetition builds strength. If your environment has English all around, your brain will start thinking in English automatically.
Part 7, weekly practice challenge, self-training plan.
Let's build a simple weekly plan you can follow every day. 10-minute listening plus 10 minutes self-talk narration. Every 2 to 3 days. 5-min shadowing plus 1-min recording your voice. Once a week. Record 1-minute speech about any topic. Listen back. Note to mistakes. Try to correct them next week. Every weekend. Watch an English short video or read a short English article. Write 5 new phrases. Use them next week. If you follow this slowly but consistently, your speaking skill will improve much faster than you expect.
Part 8 are realistic expectations and patience.
Improving speaking isn't instant. There will be days of frustration, days where nothing seems to change. That's normal. But small progress counts. Saying one sentence today is better than silence. Recording a voice even, if you stutter, is better than not speaking. Trust the process.
Yes, I need to remember that.
Also, don't compare yourself with fluent speakers. Compare yourself with your past self and see improvement. If you speak slightly better than last month, that is progress.
Part 9. Encouragement and motivation.
Every time you speak, your confidence grows. Every small step builds momentum. Keep your goal in mind. Maybe it's travel, work, study, or personal growth. Every word you speak brings you closer to that goal.
Listening to you now makes me believe I really can do it.
You can, and you will. Just be consistent, patient, and kind to yourself. If you follow this plan step by step, listening, speaking, repeating, practicing, you will see real improvement. Your English will become natural. Your voice will become confident. And one day, speaking English will feel as easy as speaking your native language.
Thank you so much for this lesson. I'm ready to start working daily.
You're welcome. And to everyone listening, start today, even if it's just one sentence. Your English journey begins now.